Okay, next product I'm going to be trying out is called UnbelivaBrow by L'Oreal. This is the blonde color. So I'll demonstrate it and we'll see if we like it. Here's what comes out. The blonde color looks like this. There's something else in here too. Aha! An applicator brush. So 2 different items are inside the box. The applicator brush has 2 sides to it. There's a brush side and a side that looks more like a little mascara wand. And then again, here is what the makeup product looks like. Open it up. The applicator, it's kind of like a lip gloss type applicator. Okay, step 1 of application is to fill in the product in the sparse areas. So let's give that a shot. All right, step 2 is to use the brush to define the shape that you want. And step 3 is to use the brush wand to kind of mix it all together. This one was giving me a little bit of trouble, so I went back through and I added some more product and I repeated the process. It's looking better. So anybody else have one eyebrow that's better than the other? Give me a thumbs up if one eyebrow behaves and the other one doesn't. I'm gonna come in close so you can see. First of all, I almost didn't buy it because I really don't like my eyebrows looking unnatural. I don't like it to look like I have any makeup on, but on the other hand, I do want it to look like kind of put together. So if you look at the package, see how the model in the picture, like her natural eyebrow is so different than the other one, and to me it looks kind of painted on. That's the look I did not want. So I was really happy to discover that on me, I think it almost looks like, okay, these are my eyebrows, but better, which was exactly what I hoped for. So the packaging says it is smudge-proof, waterproof, and it should stay on through a workout. So we'll have a workout today, and I will give you an idea of what it looks like after that, see if it came off at all when I was sweating or what. So I'll check back with you.